From craving, grief and fear arise. No craving, no grief or fear. Dhammapad 216. From craving arises sorrow. From craving, fear arises. To one free of craving, there is no sorrow. For such a person, how can there be fear? Out of craving, grief is born. Out of craving, fear. One fully freed of craving has no grief. How fear? Dhammapad 216. Tanhayo jayate sako, tanhayo jayate bhoyong, tanhayo vipo muttasya nathi sako kuta bhoyong. Dhammapad 216.